Welcome to Nobleton, a community built with a promise: protect the land, the water, and the people who will call it home. Meeting that responsibility meant stormwater management had to exceed the standard. From conveyance through storage, treatment, and discharge, every stage follows the Ministry of Environment's treatment train approach. Runoff from roads and homes is first captured and pre-treated using oil grit separators, removing pollutants before the water ever reaches the main system. Making its debut, the Vault Stormwater Management System by StormCrete, a bold new design built from 3,000 by 3,000 millimeter StormCrete units, engineered to control flow, protect drainage year-round, and slow water for natural sediment reduction, reducing maintenance and boosting performance. At its core is the 7,600 cubic meter GreenStorm chamber detention system. This underground network captures, stores, and releases runoff in sequence, reducing peak flows, protecting wetlands, and reclaiming land for parks and community space. More than infrastructure, Nobleton sets a new standard in stormwater management: clean, resilient, and ready for tomorrow.